Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a simple but essential topic: how to disable auto-download for videos on WhatsApp. As many of us use WhatsApp for sharing and receiving various media, it's important to manage our data usage effectively. Constant video downloads can consume a lot of data and storage space, especially if you're on a limited mobile plan or have a device with less capacity. So, let's jump right into the steps to turn off that auto-download feature for videos. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, look for the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on those dots to access a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings from the list that appears. Now, you'll want to navigate to Storage and Data. This section allows you to control how WhatsApp handles your media downloads. Under the Media Auto-Download section, you'll see various options. To start, tap on When Using Mobile Data. Here, you'll see a list of media types that can be downloaded automatically. Simply unmark the box next to Videos. Once you've done that, go back to the previous menu and select When Connected on Wi-Fi. Again, unmark the option for Videos to ensure that videos do not download automatically when you're on a Wi-Fi connection either. And there you have it. Those are the quick and easy steps to disable auto-download for videos on WhatsApp. Managing your media settings not only saves your data, but also keeps your device running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.